Hello everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix the stutter and lag on your Schedule 1. So if your Schedule 1 is having a problem with lag or stuttering or FPS dropping, then here's how to fix it. Step 1 or way 1 is to clear the trash file in save files. So if you have accumulated significant amount of trash saves, you may experience Schedule 1 lagging or stuttering when playing the game. What you need to do is close your game and open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E, then head to the target file via the following path, which is this one. Double-click on the trash.json file to open it. Then you need to press Ctrl plus A to select all the file's content and then paste the following content, which is this one. You want to type that one. Next is disable vsync. So this one is according to some players, they have successfully resolved their Schedule 1 stuttering and lagging issues by turning off vsync. So turn it off is step 1. Right click on the desktop and choose NVIDIA control panel. Next is choose manage 3D settings and then click I would like to use the following 3D settings. Then under the global settings section, you should scroll down and find the vertical sync option. Choose force off from the drop down menu. Then that's a way to disable the VSync setting. Last two is that disable in-game overlay. To do that is launch Steam and then go to the setting interface, switch to the in-game tab and then turn off the enable Steam overlay while in-game option. Next is boot the computer performance. So we all know how to do this. You just want to boot your computer or restart to have a fix the Schedule 1 lag, stutter, and FPS dropping. And that is all.